Party, nice party, good party, Ladies and gentlemen party. February 29th, look what party. Alright, we're gonna advertise now. We're gonna advertise Classic Gaming now. I guess we're ready. We can advertise Classic Gaming now.
Time like, no, it's not the time. Priestwood.
Yes, only pastor.
Nottingham, yes.
You see, the lady when they call,
Yeah.
try to describe World Jalapia as classy.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, man. She should go check Iowa Food for Life.
My God.
Because she can get a free can.
Shoo.
Yeah. And also, she should look out for Jeff Bezos. Because Jeff Bezos will left her in a space sauce. And you see, no prestige car, a float round in a space.
Yes, you gotta pick up one, yes.
You can go up there.
Nah.
Because Jeff Bezos is not afraid to left her for space.
Hmm.
And this time, he not give her no parachute.
My word.
So she did that, say she wants to come back to Earth, then
Just
she
that.
on her own.
Yeah.
No breathing apparatus.
Shut up, man.
Shunde.
Shoo.
Shung.
Shoo.
Big up Lady Goldring.
Lady Goldring, hey, how you doing? Thanks to
Yes, yes.
Priestwood over in Nottingham, keeping it. By the way, Manchester, Gaza, and Nike. Well, Manchester team, you know. Shire people, big up on yourself, you know. Phone call them are coming, you know. We gotta take more call right DMX. Hey, hello.
Hello, sir.
Hey, my brother. Hi, Baba.
I want to tell you that you are a pastor,
Yes.
you're a priest,
Yes.
you're a professor,
Quite so.
you're all of the above.
Shalom.
But something just came to me just now, and I just want to make sense of it.
Premonition.
Shag and sag. Hold a second. Shag and sag. Do they rhyme?
Yes.
They sound alike in it. Shag and sag.
Saga finds that she has sag.
Sag is slap and go. That's the abbreviation for slap and go.
Sag.
So it was written in the stars from long time that you're supposed to slap and go, cause they call it shag.
Shag. Sag. Shag. Shag and shag.
Slap and go.
Woo, yeah. Don't want to call nobody name on the radio, you know. Though, you know, my career mash up, you know. You know, yeah.
Why do you say career mashup?
Because, you know, Annie Pastor was the girl them favorite when he used to talk
Does that
stuff
mash
for
up,
them.
does that mash up your career?
Not necessarily, but I'm just running a big joke.
No, I know.
My career is kind of better now.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's how it is.
Yes.
Of course.
But my career with the girl, them as the girl, them favorite DJ, it kind of dwindled down now. But me not really mind because I teach the younger heads them stuff what they need to learn.
I see some respectable people phoning Lady Goldring and all these people giving a job cause. Woman, isn't it?
Yes. Hello? I was a guilty one in the line. Hey, hello.
Yeah.
Phone now work good. Hey, hello. Call the other line. Okay. Wait a little bit. Yeah, hello.
Nothing's coming through.
iPhone work now. Yo. Shang.
Your career up, son.
Shang.
Your career up.
Up.
Your career up like the man of going to space for there.
Jeff Bezos and boy they were named Richard Branson.
Richard Branson. Your career up like Richard Branson.
Straight up.
I'm holding your old mouth for them no one see you.
Bell kill them. Big up the good girls them.
Yes, the old mouth for no one see you, but you see the pebbles them, you see the crips marble them, and then the love see you. When the one where you teach the right thing.
It preps them.
You preps them, the one where you tell you, stay with your man. Yeah? Once you get pregnant for your man, stick with your man.
That is the secret of life.
Shun.
Shang. You got red zero.
The ones that you tell to stay with their man, that's the people that don't want to hear you.
Yeah.
You hear what man say?
The ones that stay with no man.
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't want to hear because they want the foolishness. Big up Black Cognac. Yeah, they want the foolishness, they want to be a bag of mistake and want to live them life and have them so-called fun. And when they don't mash up them body and get 1,000 and 1,000 mileage on the clock, Like them I run taxi from here to Birmingham. Shung shang, shung shang.
I was going to say they want to be independent, but earlier there was a comment saying, what's wrong with being independent? There's nothing wrong with being independent. That's what I'm trying to say. There's nothing actually wrong with being independent. It's just the way how you go about doing it.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? And I feel like these women nowadays, independent is mean no respect for the man at all.
That is right. Them only treat, you see, if them need you, them put on a sham respect.
They put on a look of respect.
Until them don't need you, them show you the true colors of themselves.
Yeah.
Them never did really respect you in the first place. Them just did a sham because them need your things.
What these women need to do is set up a camera in the house. Like I look a play thing with them and them whatever and see how they mash it up. And more time just forget to the camera there.
Mm-hmm.
And see how the thing go on.
And watch it back.
And watch it back.
And ask them if they don't like being in a relationship with themselves.
And you see what I go on, you see the settings.
Them ask them if they would have like them son be in a relationship with a woman like them.
Or as a man, you set it up and see what, you see me?
And what they advise the man them as well, say, before you leave your yard, leave your extra phone and record on that couch. Just leave your extra phone on that couch and record. Put it on sitting there waiting now, get no call or no ping. On flight mode. But it a record and you hear how your woman where you love talk about you when you left out of the house.
And someone said leave your phone and call it and the answer itself.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
That's the new one.
Yes, leave your phone and call it
and the answer
itself and you hear what go on in your yard.
You lock off when you want to lock off. Okay.
Hello.
I have to give the one them to respect the real man there, cause the woman give you the down payment then for the new laptop.
One gentleman was in the lot, but mostly ladies donated.
Okay, you see the thing is that if you put the GoFundMe up on the screen, send the thing come give you.
And the PayPal and the Cash App.
And the PayPal and the Cash App. Man now send money come give man, so he just put it up on the screen.
Mm-hmm. And make money come in. I read. That's so good. Shang.
Big up my brother, man. That's good.
Yes, David.
Yes, I. And big up the sisters that actually pay and help her with the laptop because they want the words to be spread out there.
Shalom.
You understand?
So the money when we collect is just the amount of money to fix the laptop and buy the new parts that it required. So I have to give a lot of thanks and enough respect to all who donated towards the laptop building fund.
Yeah, man.
I didn't get a new one, but we have the same one and we're working with it. And we like to keep the people if we know say your money was spent on this or that. You know what I mean? Sometimes I take the church money and go hotel with the church sister them, but that's a secret. Act like you never hear that part there. No. Good day.
Hello, good day. How are you?
I'm good, Jolly. How are you?
Good, thank you. Do you know the topic that you're talking about?
Yes, sir.
I think that the girl them lie too much.
Talk it to it, brother.
Yeah.
Talk.
Why you say that?
Because don't get me wrong. If you've got a disease that needs to be cut out of your breast, I get it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if they put silicone in there, understandable. But those women that say that, you know what, yeah, let me get my breast done because my friend's got it.
Yeah.
I want to feel secure.
Yes.
What kind of stupidness is that? You grew for so many years, perfect in the way God made you, but because you see these little stupid girls on Instagram or whatever program you watch, you're thinking, I want to be like them.
Yeah.
You see, for me, the first even thought of looking at them gal there, do you remember Gremlins 2? With that ugly
Gremlin, yeah.
with their face out of proportion, their lips out of proportion.
It's true still.
For what reason?
It looks silly, doesn't it? Looks stupid.
Look silly, look. I've got friends that have that. And I always ask them why. And they always say to me, oh, because I want to feel happier in my skin. What you're telling me, putting pig fat in the skin makes you happy? And you're damn stupid.
Looking silly make them happy.
Yeah.
That's why we say slap and go.
Snap and go, straight up. All right, one quick one. Have you seen Sylvester Stallone's mum before?
No. Have you D-Mix?
No, sir.
Google what she looks like, yeah? And all of these girls, that's what they're going to be when they turn 8 years old. Yeah? So good luck to them.
Google it, yeah.
And have a nice day. God bless.
Thank you, my friend.
What's
Thank
the
you, my
name
friend. Sylvester Stallone moms. Thanks for that caller right there.
Only thing, man, to bring to the table past the slap and go. That alone to bring to the table from we. Them now want to eat up the slap and go and fill them belly and walk away hungry. So woman, I bigger slide, brother. If I go back, so why she put in brush, she talk about she not compatible with her own body.
Then she can't love nobody if she don't love herself. So when she get the brush, she might start love herself now, and then she can love me or you. What do you think, DMX?
You're right. You're right. You're right. And as a man, I think we have to adapt to too many stuff, brother. I've seen somebody that looked normal last week, and then they come. I think on my lip. I'm more laugh, brother.
Oh my word.
That's horrible.
Oh my word.
Yeah. It's horrible.
So you tell her, say look nice though.
Yeah, because you don't want to see that guy.
Oh Lord.
You know them still.
So you have to tell her, she mash up her lip. No, you have to tell her she have nice lips now because you don't want her head to mash up, that she stuck with mash up lip when she had nice lips before.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, these girls are...
So you have to, you see me?
So you can't take them serious, because when you take them serious, you take on problems. Them insecurity is a problem, a very big problem, and most girls are insecure. So you have to attend with, condone with for them insecurity and the stuff that they do because they're insecure. Slap and go is the best bet.
It's the best to slap and go.
You know, in a deeper problem with her, you see her when a slapping time, after she done slap, you send her home.
Simple.
Or you go home, whichever situation. No bother with it, oh, you are my woman, and she insecure. And she mad, and she temperamental, and she have menstrual pain and problem, and when she in her men's month, she edgy, argue for nothing. And your woman, this, you know, you have to condone with this person of it. Life after life after life. Day after day after day. And this mad person. You know, in a sense, you can't see her when a slapping time. It's easier. I hope the brothers them are listening. This phone here, a maling, you know. Hello? Call the other phone, general, because I want your maling in. Maling, malfunctioning.
Yes, man, cool. You have a studio line number.
Maling.
079 085 04690. Yes, man.
That's the sex insurance line, maling, you know. That's not a good look. Wait there. Hello, how you doing?
Hello?
Yes, my brother.
Yeah, how you doing?
I'm jolly good. How are you?
I'm doing well, man. So how do I go about getting the
sex insurance?
Yeah.
You have to call the other number. It's the one with 066. I will recite it just in a minute. Just hang up and take it, yeah? I will recite that number in a second, so just make sure you grab it.
All right,
thanks, my brother. The number, let me give him a second to get himself ready for the number. Wait, let me play this voice note as well. The number for the sex insurance hotline is 079 44 777 066. That will get you the sex insurance. Hello, sir.
Sean.
Yeah, me, I'm off.
When you see them start, them start to obey, you know.
Yes, they start obey.
And that's the greatest thing. You start to see something now.
So we see a change. We can see the change.
Yeah, when you stand your ground, they have to listen.
Yes.
And this is what we need.
I love what you have to do to them. Stop your knives and listen to what we have to say.
Stop rebuttal. Be argument.
And we can say again now, some of the young bar for them, when they start grow up, them start run down the people and the young boy them. You understand? Tell them to go to church.
Don't waste them time.
Don't waste them time. Son.
Shang. Woo, yeah. Troublemaker, go on here, so. Get a voice note.
Yeah, man, DMX read out that text there. But me I explain what I want to my daughter so the woman them can know say yo them to stop. Shove out them daughter, cause that them are doing it. Them are shove out them daughter to the young youth them and to the man them and I go them don't know what them are doing. And when I try to talk to them and show them so raw, and that's what I do, them still do it, you see it. Like I say, the Jamaican daughter the nurse, you know. See? I'm stand up with her and fight with her from Jamaica to here to make sure she knows her ambition and you see? I'm a fight with my son. My son getting scholarship from yard and the America, you know. You see me, I say, brother, I'm going to try to fight him, look at that, them car. We want the best for them. You see me, I say, you don't want them to get in a slap and go and breed up and then boom. You see, stress themselves out and stress the world out too, because that make the youth them out there kill them one and the woman them coming like, you see? Next thing more make the man them know, yo, a whole heap of them woman and them young girl and kind of have some mental problem in. So I see them as some pretty close and rare-tete and blah-tete. Them have mental problem. Brothers, I want to check in on this. Them have mental problems. You say mental problems more than one. Yeah? Yeah, man. So the case them one. Some of them are talk nice and one like say, hey, them have mental problem, brother. Big man thing. You see, slap and go straight.
Here says some of women them have 10% mental problems, some have 5%, some have 50%,
Some have 100%.
some have 100% mental problems. So you can't know who then is pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, my woman them 3 years.
Look at that background or so.
You know why that happens so long? From slap and go for 2.
Same. Say it again.
Wait a minute, we pass the message. Wait there.
Me and my woman there for 3.
Okay, my new man there for 3 years.
Yeah, no pastor. You know why that happens so long? From slap and go for 2.
Wow. So anything can go on now, you can break up now. Look back for your long text. DMX, you want to read the long text? I'm read this.
John Red Heart is real 100 points symbol. Peace 100 points symbol. Bro, do you understand what my baby mum is doing and saying she is puting out my daughters to man? And she know what she is doing and DNT care him and my emotions for my daughters to live a decent life. My Jamaican daughter is a nurse in the UK. All I want is the best for my 2 daughters here. I DNT want them to have baby before time, university, married, work, then live up to make a better future. I DNT want them to get slap and go jar. Red Heart is real 100 points symbol. Peace 100 points symbol. Jar.
Rastafari. Them say the man them a dirty man and waste man. I lie them a tell upon them man in England, you know. I lie them a tell the man them love them children
Of
and
course
want
they
the
do.
best.
Unfortunately, we're gonna have to just come to terms with a lot of things. It's too late. You see me? So it's gonna be dread, brother. It's going to be dread. Do people understand the meaning that it's going to be dread? It's gonna be dread in all ways. Not a lot of us going to be happy with what's happening with us. Even our kids being brought up, these women acting certain way. Brother, it's going to be dread. So as a man, you just have to plan for these stuff. And so that's why we're trying to say even slap and go. If you don't want to destroy your mind state. You don't want to be mentally destroyed. So you have to wisen up yourself. It's just going to be dread. There's so many things that they put out there to destroy us that we keep saying week in, week out. You understand? So you can't go by it. We're talking about the food. We're talking about social media. We're talking about everything, King One.
Yo.
So,
Chang.
you know, I believe in a slap and go. But then I'm out of my woman called police for me, you know. And me and my daughter sit down in her bed. I know say police girl lift me up out of my bed, and I friend them and I laugh at me and put me out the door. So my little daughter tell them something, you know. Where you expect, no confuse.
That's right.
You understand? That's why the man believe in a slap and go.
So you lie down peacefully in your bed and you...
In my bed. And the Salamite police woman and the next police boy Batman and take me up and show me out of my house and turn and laugh off of my brother.
And we woman allow them things to happen, you know.
The woman that sit down in the house and I watch the policeman and lift me up, man, lift me up.
I disrespect you. I throw you out.
And show me out the door.
Slap and go.
Slap and go. That time I said slap and go straight. No sympathy.
No sympathy.
Slap and run.
That's a new one. Slap and run.
Slap and run.
Slap and run. You can't even just walk. You have to splurt.
Son.
Bolt. Shang. They worship that they want to look like a girl them pan it. We don't want the girl them pan the program then. Hey.
Yeah, and Pastor. You say the female will say we don't call them what banger, we call them classic.
Classic cars, yeah.
She should know Jeff Bezos. Tell us in my case know Jeff Bezos. Because you see Jeff Bezos is a man, you see them the female will say them are all classic. Them love money man.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, Jeff Bezos is the ultimate money man. Tell us in my case know Jeff Bezos.
You think him gonna want her more left out of space?
Because Jeff Bezos him have a motive. You know, say my only classic car you want to get parked up in a space.
Yeah.
You know, make the car them circulate.
Yes.
Iron Man looking at with two binoculars. Look at that space, them not see them float.
Them a float around that space, nobody. Then they like shang. I mean, say rich man then slap and go more than in broke man them, you know. Cause rich man I get chased by woman, so you just have options, slap and go.
And those the one that's actually running down the rich one, those are the deadbeat. And them get the most slap. And it's facts. It's going to hurt this Men's Day.
It's going to hurt.
You have to hear them kind of something. Yeah.
Luke, big up. Luke say big up the whole of Manchester. Everybody in Manchester for big up Sake Luke, yeah. So Manchester, big up on yourself. Want some Manchester brothers calling to you know. What go on?
Lena said, why the woman called the police on you in the first place?
Because she's a witch. Hello?
She's definitely a witch.
You see that?
If you would not doing Pastor, I do this.
Yeah.
I love it. Because I'm in a relationship.
Yes.
And I would always say for the young ones, slap and go.
Oh my word. Why do you say that, brother?
Because I've had to slap and go to get where I am in life.
Yeah.
Yeah? And I know how evil women can be. Let's check this, yeah? 30 years ago, women used to say, man, I want this, man ain't this, man ain't nothing, yeah?
Yeah.
So you know what man did? Man stepped up. Yeah, the new generation man stepped up and handled myself. I have picked me with I'll call her a baby mother.
Yeah.
Without disrespecting, I'll call her a baby mother. Yeah? But yeah, why haven't these women stepped up? If anything, we've gone forward and they've gone backwards.
Them stuck.
Yeah? I don't think they're stuck. I think they've gone backwards.
Oh my word.
Because how can a woman say 20, 30 years ago that man needs to look after their picnic, man needs to do more, blah, blah, whatever. And now we are actually doing it.
Yep.
What are they doing? All they're doing is complaining. They're cheating. They're always looking for more instead of being content. Yeah? If you're making 30 grand, do you know Deborah's husband down the road makes 50 grand? Why can't you make 50 grand? We're not realizing Deborah's husband is beating her up. And she's content with doing them through there. You see it?
Yeah.
And this 30 grand man is looking after you, breaking his back to make sure that she goes on holidays and all of that, and don't touch one hair on their skin. You see what I'm saying?
But she want Deborah man. Alright, Deborah man money.
Look, yeah, about 15 years ago, yeah, I used to shop. Yeah? I used to get all of them Dr. Scragger girls.
Yeah.
Yeah? I invested into my own little business and I'm set now. And guess what? Them little Dr. Scragger girls, you know what them?
No, nothing to do with them.
I have my wife at home.
Yes.
You know what my wife does? She works in finance as well. But you know what? She makes her money, I make my money. Together we have an empire.
Yes,
that's what they should be building for instead of, oh yeah, let me wear this battery riders. Oh yeah, let me get this Bluetooth. Let me see if I can get my lips done to see if I can get a man that will never want you.
Jesus Christ.
But what we always say, the more option you give these girls, the more attention you give these girls, the more option they see.
Yeah. Yeah,
so
that's why slap and go is perfect.
You have to be careful. Yes.
As the 2 quarters ago said, slap and run.
Slap and run.
Slap and run.
If you walk away, then I'm gonna catch you. You got to use your boat it, brother.
Slap and delete. You say boat it slow.
But don't even delete it because you might want a 2 o'clock duty call.
Okay.
But make sure you slap and run.
Yes.
Because these girls, they're getting smart in the most devious way.
They not get good smart, they might get bad smart.
They might get bad smart, and what they're doing as well, they're teaching their offspring to be just like them. 2.0, and you know when it's 2.0, it's even worse.
Ah, my word.
So any young youth that's listening,
slap and go.
There's plenty of queens out there, but before you find them,
Slap and run.
Oh my word. It's changed and slap and go not to
Yeah,
run.
man, big up the general.
Slap and run.
I think we
Thank
need
you,
to,
brother. Slap and run.
Yeah.
Pastor, big up yourself and the last caller they were calling for, you know. And then right, the woman them gone backward, brother. Yeah? Him a make 30K, and the next woman the woman I say, why him can't make no more. That's why Pastor always say, woman, I look for a better deal. As soon as a better deal come, them gone.
Yellow.
Sean,
Jam.
these women don't look from the art anymore. They love it from the money. Once you can show them the ugly woman's face, they love you.
They don't love from the art, they love from the money.
They love from the money.
Oh my word. So what we gonna do? Get more money or slap and go?
Get a lot of ugly woman's face and slap and go. Show them the money and you slap and go.
Yeah, man, show them the money.
Show them the money.
We like
Show them the money.
now. So we're now getting a genuine woman to settle down with and them something that we might.
No genuine woman is here anymore.
Jesus. Them backslide like Michael Jackson.
They're thinking about the money. The woman said, if you don't have the money, you can't talk to her. That's what they're talking about now.
So me and a woman can try bill and get money together.
Some woman will
Some of
be
them.
a genuine woman.
But Pastor, you die alone, you know.
True.
You die alone.
True.
Yes, so you have to just make the money by yourself.
Slap and go.
Slap and go.
Slap and go.
Ta, 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 ta.
Show them the 50-pound note and then you slap and go. You know what me do? Show them the money and take it back from them.
No, sir.
Take it back from them.
That's not right.
So
Slap
what?
and go.
That's not right.
My money, my right.
Shung.
Someone earlier said them him put him on down my throat.
And for me thought about the dinner.
The dinner.
You know, say one time one girl came to one hotel and me slap it, and when me I go in the morning, she never wake. Just go in her purse and take out 20 pounds out of 40 pounds in there, you know. But left her with 20, because she buy the hotel room and everything too. She have credit card and thing, but we never chop the credit card. But me still left her with 20 pounds, but I take the whole 40 pounds.
Yeah.
We just take 20.
Yeah.
Because she never wake up. So if I did me asleep and she go, she didn't rob me.
Nothing wrong with that. We see this thing happen all the time.
Yeah.
The woman go in the man wallet.
Yeah, so me just go in her wallet and take out.
And them take the whole 40.
At least me have consideration and take 20 out of the 40. Me left her with 20 pounds.
Yeah.
So she can go buy breakfast.
Well, I try to get some change and leave all these 5 pounds.
Nah, man, me nah come out of her room and come back in her room and she come catch me. Me PM, yeah. Go on my business. Lucky thing I never 40 pounds me take.
Yeah, true.
Yes, because her boyfriend gone to Jamaica. Then get a wicked in there. Well, them boyfriend gone to Jamaica, them can't make a hotel. I wicked them. Not trust enough. Don't do it again.
Yeah, man, for real. These new girls, these new generation of girls got some wicked minds there. Wicked.
One Chinese girl, first, me I slap a Chinese too, you know.
So anything can reach you as a man. Anything can reach you. Why isn't up yourself?
Hope your woman husband now listen right now, you know.
Mr. Strong.
No, he's a black man. She married. He's a man who gone to Jamaica. She married too.
Okay.
I know me I talk my business too much, man. Anyway, we're gonna go to an ad break in a minute now. We still have time for a couple of phone calls. And if anybody was in the backlog, if it didn't get through, the line is real busy, so call now. Hello?
Yeah, Pastor.
Yes, sir.
Let me say, I man cannot stress enough to the female that we say them are prestige for the case now just pesos.
Yes.
Because when the car them afloat up in a space,
Mm-hmm.
if you say you have what a space was see when they in the car,
Yeah.
the component them when you look for, they're not there.
Shang!
No, did that.
Please, D-Mix, stop saying about them good car there. Hello, Shang.
Electric car we're talking about.
Electric car, no nice.
Electric car.
Them car are reliable, bro.
Rickety.
Take off the paint off of your face. Take off the broomstick off of your eye. The broom, you know the broom thing them.
The push broom them.
You push broom off of your eye.
But they use push water at Jamaica with the prangy them. Take it off your eye. Take off the contour off your face. The long wig and the baby ear them in front and a real baby ear, a homemade baby ear.
Yeah.
Soon.
Look stupid. Ridiculous.
And the painter for your face.
Painter for your face. Go on.
Yes.
Thank you, my brother.
Sean.
Shang. See if we can catch one more voice note before the ad break kick in DMX. Because the ad break are coming quick, you know, yo.
That man pray.
Time flies when you're a bonfire.
Want the modified cars. We want the good X5 that have the body, have the engine, and can go on and know how to treat a man. Yes, you can't be a single parent. How in God's name is a woman supposed to raise a man? Yeah? What are they going to tell them about puberty? It's just like a man. How are we going to raise a woman? Are we going to tell? How are we going to tell them about periods? Yeah, about time of the month. Yeah, about what's going on in their body. Because me, I can't have pitney. I don't know have pitney. So how can I tell a woman about what it's going to be like?
Party, nice party, good party, Jolly Sinatra party. February 29th, look good party. Alright, we're going to advertise now. We're going to advertise our CD. I can't say we're ready. We can advertise our CD. Now.